Hello everybody, welcome to the Clip Promo channel. Happy Ramadan to all of you, and we're going to be offering free sessions, so please stay in tune, communicate this with your friend, and make sure you subscribe and pay attention. We're going to talk about different topics from photography all the way to audiovisual production, talking about its business model, ecosystem, how to deal with agency, legal points, and some of these depending as well on your comments and your reactions. So this will be in English, sorry, it will all be in English or French. Please ask a question in English or French. Make sure you check the channel for the next session. It's going to be about photography 101. It's going to start in the next 2-3 days. Thank you, and remember, get out there, the world belongs to us, just click it.